Hemoglobin is isolated from option A, sperm, option B, semen, option C, testis, option D, kidney. Answer is option B, semen. Premonition is seen in option A, fever, option B, tuberculosis, option C, syphilis, option D, rheumatic fever. Answer is option C, syphilis. Transfer factor is option A, extract of lymphocytes, option B, extract of plasma cell, option C, pooled leukocytes, option D, extract of immunocompetent lymphocyte. Answer is option D, extract of immunocompetent lymphocyte. Transfer factor is used for treatment of option A, tuberculosis, option B, gas gangrene, option C, lepromatous leprosy, option D, none. Answer is option C, lepromatous leprosy. Forceman antigen is absent in option A, man, option B, rabbit, option C, armadillo, option D, none. Answer is option B, rabbit. Heterophil reaction is employed in option A, Paul Bunel test, option B, Weil-Felix reaction, option C, both A and B, option D, none. Answer is option C, both A and B. The hallmark of all immunological reactions are option A, sensitivity, option B, specificity, option C, accuracy, option D, reproducibility. Answer is option B, specificity. All immunoglobulins are option A, proteins, option B, glycoproteins, option C, glycolipids, option D, none. Answer is option B, glycoproteins. The kappa and lambda chains occur in ratio option A, 1:2, option B, 2:1, option C, 3:2, option D, 2:3. Answer is option B, 2:1. Loops is peptide chain of immunoglobulin formed by option A, interchain disulfide bond, option B, interchain dicarbide bond, option C, hydrogen bond, option D, covalent bond. Answer is option A, interchain disulfide bond. Immunoglobulins are present in serum in the following order. Option A, IgG, IgA, IgM, IgD, IgE. Option B, IgG, IgM, IgA, IgD, IgE. Option C, IgM, IgA, IgG, IgD, IgE. Option D, IgM, IgG, IgA, IgD, IgE. Answer is option A. Immunoglobulin which has no heat stability at 56 degrees Celsius is option A, IgG, option B, IgE, option C, IgM, option D, IgA. Answer is option B, IgE. The major immunoglobulin in colostrum and saliva is option A, IgA, option B, IgM, option C, IgG, option D, none. Answer is option A, IgA. Secretory IgA is produced by plasma cells near option A, mucosal epithelium, option B, glandular epithelium, option C, liver cells, option D, kidney cells. Answer is option A, mucosal epithelium. Earliest immunoglobulin synthesized by fetus is option A, IgM, option B, IgA, option C, IgE, option D, IgG. Answer is option A, IgM. IgM deficiency is associated with option A, septicemia, option B, pyemia, option C, bacteremia, option D, infection. Answer is option A, septicemia. Proschnitt-Kusterner reaction is mediated by option A, IgG, option B, IgA, option C, IgM, option D, IgE. Answer is option D, IgE. Sensitivity of precipitation reaction is option A, 1 mg, option B, 5 mg, option C, 1 mg, option D, 1 ng. Answer is option A, 1 mg. Kahn test for syphilis is option A, agglutination test, option B, tube flocculation test, option C, slide flocculation test, option D, none. Answer is option B, tube flocculation test. Immunodiffusion is performed in option A, 1% agar, option B, 2% agar, Option C 2.5% agar. Option D 1.5% agar. Answer is option A 1% agar.